crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my
and it's
God.
real?
Real.
Call her Betty Crocker, baby girl got the cake.
Oh, she does have drawers on.
Wait, those are cute.
Unfortunately.
Turn that joint right down.
Okay, there's the
OMJ.
Can I?
Okay, I do have drawers on. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Wait, stay there.
How did your ass
That
stay
thing
up like
crazy.
that?
I have
You
long
give me-
legs.
Damn, yo,
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
Do you
I'm
do
gonna
exercise?
no.
How about I hate you even? How about I hate you even more?
Yeah.
No, I'm actually gonna give away one little tiny secret
What?
that I did. I don't know if I don't know if it was a good thing that I did or a bad thing because I kind of regret it now. But when I in 2005 I had lipo and I had a lipo underneath my underneath here. It's called the flanks, and I lipo my thighs because I used to have these super
How much
big
does
thighs.
that cost?
Right?
So is it still the
I went
same?
to
Did it ever
Colombia.
come back?
No, it didn't come back.
You
yet.
went to
I'm scared to go.
Colombia?
I went to
I'm
Colombia.
scared to go out of the U.S.
Hey, fuck it.
because
No,
But look,
Colombia.
I lipoed in here and I
hilarious.
lipo under here. So what happened is my ass used to kind of like just go.
You know Usher's
Straight
wife?
down.
You know what I'm talking about, right? That ass.
That's
And
what
it was
Kanye's
kind
mother
of like.
died
it
from.
looks fantastic.
Kanye's mother died because she.
How about I
she
want it,
knows.
do it too?